Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Ako po ay si Leandro Verceles Jr., isang 3-term congressman at 2-term governor from the province of Catanduanes, although my roots are from Agoho at sa Tubao, La Union. I am here to file for the esteemed position of senator because I believe there are certain things that need to be addressed, and it is of consequential importance dito. What is that? It is education. I have here a pamphlet from the Senate. It's called Miseducation. Ibig sabihin po, there is no, whatever we do, we'll always be lagging behind. Kasi po yung education, moving target po yun eh. And right now, we're just hanging on by mere thread. What we have to do is something very, very diabolical, something very, not diabolical, something very, very revolutionary. And I think you have the forms with you here. We would like to use artificial intelligence to finally cure the educational misfit of the country. In one generation, we will be able to be world-class like the US, UK, Singapore, Australia, and Finland. Now, we can do that with AI using what they call personalized learning. That is going to be my number one advocacy. And the other one is also for purposes of fixing the traffic once and for all. No cost to government. We can do that, but we need enabling legislation for that. And we can do that using also AI. Now, this is not your run-of-the-mill kind of projects. These are really game changers, and I hope I can be able to do that while I am in the Senate, because we really need to have the legislation there. For education, we will need to spend about 2 trillion pesos because we want to give each student one laptop and also personal education. I guess that's it for me now. Then if there are any questions.
For 2 minutes. Yes. Question po. Cherian Torres, ABS-CBN.
Kong, good morning.
Good morning.
Opo. I'm here, sir. I'm here.
Where? Oh, yeah.
Ayan.
Okay.
Sir, I'm Sharon Torres, ABS-CBN.
Hello.
Sir, can you enlighten us about this, the press statement that you gave us?
Yes, I
so there are 2 Partido Federal ng Pilipinas?
Yes, there are, because despite the fact that you may probably know, or it is perceived that there's only one, the group of South Cotabato, Reynaldo Tamayo, the fact is, if you look at the decision of the COMELEC and also the MR, it just said that the petition was dismissed. Therefore, we have a situation where it is status ante, meaning as if the petition was not filed, which means before that, we were both exercising the lawful duties and responsibilities of the party. So it is status quo. So sa madaling salita, I, myself, and the others, and my group can also sign CONAS. We have the authority. We share it with the group of Tamayo. And well, that might be perceived differently, but I guess yung labanan dyan will be the Supreme Court eventually. So, but what I'm saying is, based on the law, based on what you see there, that is the general legal status at this point in time, as we believe.
So, ibig sabihin, sir, you filed your COC under PFP?
I guess.
And this was accepted naman?
No, it's acceptance is ministerial. It's not here. I'm sure it's going to be challenged, so there will be some sort of petition under the COMELEC Resolution 045, and I'm sure it's going to be challenged by the powers that be there from the. So,
one last question from my end, sir. So how would you differentiate yourself from the other PFP candidates? How different are you from them?
In terms of advocacy or in terms of
qualifications? I know that you're a congressman.
Yeah.
In terms of your ability to be part of the Senate?
I don't have the answers to everything. Nobody has that. What I do have is my competence as an IT advocate, as a thought leader, and also AI. I was the principal author of 8792, which is the E-Commerce Act. Because of that, we were able to achieve at least a thriving BPO industry, wherein we have about over $50 billion in revenue per year, and also employing over 2 million Filipinos. That's my baby, and I'm very, very proud of that. That's a landmark legislation. And also for the internet, connectivity for the internet, which is also based on my law, 8792. And we want to go further on that. We would like to capture what is there already and then move forward by using now AI. The buzzword now is AI. With AI, believe me, you can cure practically everything. Now in education, we will give each student their own AI, personalized AI. We call it bespoke AI, meaning the moment they're preschool, they already have their AI, and that will go with them until they are post-grad or vocational school. So it will guide them. If they're very good, it will accelerate them. If they're not so good, they will be ensured that they will always have the necessary education. Now, this is not a ticket for overnight. No, it will take one generation. But with that, I can assure you, your children will be world-class already in terms of education.
Sir, just, sorry, pahabol
Go ahead,
lang
please,
to.
yeah.
Sir, ano to, parang yung story ng PFP dito sa kaso nyo, similar to what happened to PDP Laban? Ganun
No,
ba yun?
totally
na
different.
inagaw somehow, parang
No,
ganun
totally
ba?
different because I believe there are some issues there which are not here. But here we subscribe to all the COMELEC resolutions, and we are very strict even for quorum and everything else. So I read the one of the PDP Laban, and it's a totally different list of circumstances. Totally different.
Okay na. Our next question is from Dwight. Rappler po. To your right, sir.
Sorry, hindi ko narinig yung tanong. Last question ni Ma'am Shewan ko ang similar. Sir, what's your current position in PFP, in your faction of Partido Federal?
I am the national president,
You're the current national president.
embattled president.
Okay, sir. Do you think you lost that party row given that President Ferdinand Marcos seems to be recognizing the Tamayo faction of the Partido Federal?
All right, under our Constitution, it is specifically subscribed that we are not a government of men, but we are a government of laws. That is our vision. On that basis, yes, the perception is there. We have to admit it's there. Yes. But the fact, this is not a fight with the president. He is still our president. We even elected him as a national chairman. The fight here, which I believe is a legal fight, is between which factions. Because sa totoo po, this gentleman with Reynaldo Tamayo, they already expired their terms of office as of September 18, 2023. 2 years lang po yun. That is the ball of contention now.
Sir,
See?
but if your argument is so convincing, why is the president not on your side?
I believe, and I have to be honest with you, there's a kind of sort of sanitaire there. So,
Ano, sir, sorry?
cordon, may cordon. We cannot get in.
You're on the outside looking in?
Yes, we
Okay.
couldn't get in because people are blocking us from actually talking to him. So, let it be. But I believe our fight is a very, very fight of justice. And kasi kawa talaga yung mga tao sa baba. They have been abused and they're, ever since before. So we had to take the cudgels and try to fix the party. And we will fix the party no matter how long it takes.
Sir, pero kayo wala naman kayong misgivings sa presidente dahil hindi niya kayo sinusuportahan.
No, he has so many things in mind, so we have to give it to him. He has the West Philippine Sea. He has, to curb poverty. It's okay like that. He has more problems that needs his attention. Kami naman, ayusin lang namin dito sa aming dalawang factions.
Okay po. Thank you, sir.
Okay. One last
Kuya Ian.
One last quick question. Okay. UNTV, Dante Amento.
Hello,
Sir, good
Dante.
Hi, sir. Good morning. Should further controversy, kasi meron pang controversy kayo ngayon kung sino talagang faction po yung
Yes.
kinikilala. So,
Yes.
does this mean you are willing to fight until you reach the Supreme Court doon sa case po niyo to determine sino po talagang faction ng Partido Federal yung totoo?
Oh yes, that is the customary step up to the Supreme Court. And we believe we will be able to get our necessary relief when we get to the Supreme Court. Kasi, while we respect what the COMELEC said here in their decision there, we believe that, we need to have a different look at it with the Supreme Court. And they will be the final reckoner of the facts and the law. So, we go up.
Last 30 seconds.
30 seconds?
Like 30 seconds.
I still have 30
You
seconds.
might want to say something, sir?
Yeah, alam mo, I've been in politics for a long time, 15 years, and prior to that, I've been in public service for just about the same time. But I can see ever since post-EDSA that talagang the country's not going the right way. In other words, we always talk and talk and talk, but we don't have the solutions. That's why I do not have the answers, but we have two answers for the education, also for the traffic. We can do it, but we have the confidence of the people to bring us there. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, sir. Sir, sa center po.
Okay na?
The photo off again.
Where?